All right, I'm going to get you started with the atoms versus ions worksheet, and we're going to go through a couple of examples together. So you're going to start with lithium, and I found some little clips from the periodic table, and I'm going to show you where you find all this information. The atomic number is listed right here, and it's the number that doesn't have a decimal, so it's a 3. The mass number is related to the atomic mass, which is this 6.9, and we're just going to round it to the nearest whole number, so we're going to use 7. And we learned first semester that the atomic number is the same as the protons, and the neutrons we get from taking the mass number, 7 minus the number of protons, so the neutrons are going to be 4. And for atoms, the electrons are the same as the protons, so we're going to have 3. When you draw the electrons, you can put 2 in the first level, and then our third one is going to go in the second level. When you make your ion, almost nothing can change about the nucleus, so you're going to have atomic number the same, mass number the same, protons the same, neutrons the same. The only thing that changes is electrons, and the easiest way to do that is the other side of your periodic table. It's got charges, so we're gonna use lithium, and plus is the same as +1. And we learned that positive means that we're going to take electrons away. So +1 means we're going to go from 3 to 2. So the ion only has 2. And when they are positive, we call those cations. All right, going on to the next example is got to get rid of all these dots. All right, so you're going to start with beryllium and its atomic number. Which is found right here. So it's a 4. And then our mass number is 9. Protons are 4. Neutrons are going to be 9 minus 4. So we're going to have 5. And electrons are 4. Remember that the atomic number, mass number, protons, and neutrons don't change, so I'm not going to fill those in every time. We're going to focus on the electrons. Beryllium makes a +2 charge. We know that positive means we're going to take electrons away, so our ion is only going to have 2. So our atom gets 4, and our ion gets 2. All right, with boron, we have atomic number of 5. 10.8 rounds to 11. So we have 5 protons, 11 minus 5, 6 neutrons, and 5 electrons. There's 5 electrons. And boron, a lot of places say that boron doesn't make an ion, but some do say it does. So your periodic table won't have this, but it can make a +3. So our electrons are going to go from 5 to 2. And then you're just going to add the 2 right here. All right, the final 2 examples, we're going to do a couple negative ones. I'm just learning how to use. Give me just a second. Go ahead and fill in everything you need for nitrogen. And I have it shown on the screen here. All right, so we see that nitrogen has atomic number 7. So it's got 7 electrons. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then as an ion, it makes a -3 charge. So if our positive ion lost electrons, our negative is going to gain electrons. So a -3 means we're going to go from 7 to 10. So first 2 in the first ring, and then 8 will go in the second ring. Oxygen has 8 for its atomic number, so 8 electrons. Oxygen makes a -2 charge, and it's going to go to 10 also. And I think you'll be able to fill that one in on your own. The only thing you need to know is that the second ring can hold up to 8. After you fill those 8 in, you need to move to the third ring, and you won't go past the third ring on any of these. So hopefully with those hints, you can finish that and get this turned in today. I'll see you guys next week.